Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. As you can see on the board, we are dealing with further maths, and today we'll be discussing a branch in coordinate geometry that has to do with equation of uh, parallel lines. Now here, as you can see, we have a question, and the question says find the equation of a line which is parallel to the line this and passes through the point this. Now, we know that uh, when two lines are parallel, when you have two parallel lines, in coordinate geometry, when we have two parallel lines, two straight lines that are parallel, it also means that their gradients are the same or equal. Yes, and the angle between them is 0 degrees. So what it means is I am looking for uh, a straight line that is parallel to this very line. So here I have x plus 4y minus 1 is equals to what? 0. And we all know that the general form of a straight line is given to you as y is equals to mx plus c, where m is the word gradient and c is the word y-intercept. And y-intercept is where the word line. If you have, let's say you have, this is your plane. Now this is your y and this is your x axis. Now your C is this point. That is your y-intercept, where the straight line crosses the word y-axis. That is your C, and it is called y-intercept. Now, this is the general form of what? A straight line. So here, I'll have to now rearrange this to make it look like this. So I have 4y is equals to, if you transpose, you have minus x plus 1. Now divide here by 4, divide here by 4, divide here by 4. This cancel this. So your y is equals to, let's say, minus 1 over 4x plus what? 1 over what? 4. Now, by comparison, our m here is equals to minus 1 over 4 by comparison. So this is our m1. Now, it also means that the equation we are looking for will have a gradient. Let the gradient be m2. So the gradient of that equation we are looking for will also be minus 1 over 4. Because I said earlier that when two lines are parallel, they have the same gradient. So the gradient of this equation is minus 1 over 4. So even the other straight line that I'm looking for, is the gradient will also be what? M2 is equals to what? Minus 1 over 4. Now, and I was told that it passes through this point, right? So, and we know that this is the equation of what? 1 point form. We have the equation of a straight line that passes through 1 point. Is given as y minus y1 is equals to m open bracket x minus x1. This is, it is called 1 point form. 1 point form. So here, what do I have? I have my y minus my y1. This is now my y1, which is 2. I'll substitute. Then my x1 is 1. And then my m, which is gradient, is minus 1 over 4. So I have minus 1 over 4 here. Open bracket x minus what? 1, close bracket. So I'll now remove bracket here. So I have y minus 2 is equals to, if you multiply this, if you remove bracket here, you have minus 1 4x plus 1 4. So if you transpose, what do you have? You have y is equals to minus 1 over 4x plus 1 over 4 plus what? 2. So you can just simplify this. You can simplify this. If you are to simplify this, if you make this over 1, so what is the LCM here? For all this, the LCM is 4. How many 4 can you get in 4? 1. 1 times this will give you minus what? Minus what? Minus x here. then plus 4 in 4 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Then plus 1 in 4 is 4. 4 times this will give you 8. So you now have is equals to y. So when you cross multiply here, you cross multiply this, you will now have 4y is equals to minus x plus 9. This is the equation that is parallel to this and passes through this point. So thank you.